My second point, this entire concept of AI, I think it's an extremely important, that's a new technology that's going in and all of us need to adopt it. That's the way world is going to be. My predictive AI work started at Saregama 7 years ago, and it's giving us rich dividends. But currently, if we see, it's a wild west out there. What kind of copyright data and whose data is being used for machine learning by these large language models is completely unknown. The primary copyright owners, both sound recording and publishing rights owners, have no goddamn clue if their content is getting used because there is no transparency which is being exhibited by these LLM. We strongly urge government to build rules where we have forced these LLMs to at least go back and transparently declare to us whose copyright is being used right now for training these large language models. I often hear, as an industry, we often hear saying that no, we need to go back and support these people at an early stage. I understand that part. I'll give you another example right now that Blaze and I discuss very often. When you were growing up, didn't our parents send us to schools to get better educated? And were those schools free? We all got better educated. We are doing good for ourselves right now. And our parents believed that investment needs to be done in our education. And it's a fair way to do it. Then why should LLMs not be going out there and paying the copyright owner on a voluntary basis? Why should there be a lack of transparency or this ask that it should come under compulsory or statutory licensing? Why should it happen? You are talking of some of the biggest global companies who have these LLMs. All we are saying, we are not going to come in the way. As an industry, we are happy to support because this is the future. But while you are going out there and creating this, please go out there and take voluntary licenses from us. AI apps should be using content which is created by labels and artists be given free of cost. They should be paying us right now for that fee. And very often it's believed that this is a sound recording owner or a publishing rights owner problem only. It's equally an artist problem. Because if your content is going to get used and you're not going to get reimbursed, in future, what is the incentive left for any of you to invest in new content? As labels, we will stop investing in your content. And as artists, you will understand that if you create content, somebody else goes out there and copies it very easily and puts it out. The incentive for you will also go down. We need to resolve this issue. We want to support AI all the way, but in a fashion right now which is more responsible, in a fashion which is far more transparent. And I'm sure all the big LLM owning companies right now are going to understand this and come in our support.